If this guide is helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. How to use YouTube TV on Firestick. If you're looking to enjoy your favorite channels without the hassle of cable, YouTube TV on the Firestick is a fantastic option. Let's dive into how to get it set up. First, ensure your Firestick is connected to your TV and that you have a stable internet connection. Using your Firestick remote, navigate to the home screen and find the search icon in the top left corner. Type in YouTube TV using the on-screen keyboard or use voice search with your Alexa remote. Once you see YouTube TV in the search results, select it and then choose the download option to install the app. Wait for the download and installation to complete. Once installed, open the app by selecting Open. Now it's time to sign in with your Google account, which you use for YouTube TV. Simply follow the prompts on your screen. If you don't see the app, you might need to sideload it, which requires enabling apps from unknown sources. Go to Settings, then My Fire TV, and choose Developer Options. Turn on apps from unknown sources. You'll need a second device for this method where you can download the Downloader app from the Amazon store, input the YouTube TV APK link, and install it manually. Once YouTube TV is installed, just log in, and you can start streaming live TV, sports, and more. You can use the Firestick remote to navigate through channels, adjust settings, and explore features. Remember to regularly check for updates to ensure YouTube TV and your Firestick are operating smoothly. Enjoy your favorite shows with the convenience of YouTube TV on your Firestick. Thanks for watching.